So I'm here with Dean and our 61 Lakewood Corvair, or Corvair Lakewood. Just doing a quick walk around here. So this car has been sitting, I did the calculations last night. I believe that it's been sitting for at least 25 years, and in that whole time hasn't been started. In fact, the guy I bought it off sold it to me as a rolling chassis. He didn't even know there was an engine in it. So we started looking at the engine, and we discovered that the distributor cap was missing a bunch of parts. But other than that, it's pretty much complete. And we were able to turn it over a little bit last fall. So we know it's not seized. So today we've gathered all the parts and we are going to try to start this. So so maybe Dean, you can, what have you done already?
Well, so far I've taken off the containers and the covers for the air filters, and the piece that goes from one side to the other so the air can flow from left to right, and blew some air into the carbs to make sure there was no dirt and dust in there, and sprayed a little WD-40, and it took out the old spark plugs. So that's as far as I've gone right now.
Yeah. So we're going to do a few other things to it, and we'll let you know as we go. But definitely we'll give you an update, and we will show you when we attempt to start it. So we're at the part now to find out if we actually got the right parts.
Okay.
Ooh, a fridge magnet from Rock Auto.
That alone is worth the money.
Yeah, well, actually it can go right on the... You can put it on your fridge later if you want.
What do we got here?
That's probably a cap. It's the right kind of cap.
Yeah. Pencil holder.
I don't know if that's the right kind of cap.
All the automotive parts. Looks a lot bigger than what's on there. You never know.
Spark plugs. Spark plug wire set. What's that?
I don't have
Oh, that's a ballast resistor or something. I just bought like everything I could for it.
Okay.
We probably won't need to use all of them, but if the engine runs, we will probably will install the new parts, because why not?
Spark plugs.
But if it doesn't run, then this is just going to be spare parts for the next one. So spark plugs, those are useful because where's our old spark? Oh yeah,
those are the old ones right there.
Look at these old spark plugs. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So yeah, we're getting on new spark plugs.
Here we got
some kind of seal.
Some kind of seal.
Yeah, see, I ordered it, but I don't even know. Distributor or mounting. So that's if we pull the distributor right out.
Oh, okay.
And put it back in again.
Okay.
So I didn't know what it was, but I bought it anyways.
Just add to the collection.
Yeah.
Okay. There it is. I'll let you open it.
Standard. So this is... Oh yeah, that's the funny looking rotor that goes in this thing.
Yes, I recognize that piece.
Yeah.
And this says intermotor.
Does it actually go inside here? So I was kind of concerned about. Oh, it looks like it might. Is that going to work? Oh, we might have the right parts. Kind of looks like it might fit in there.
Oh, these are the points. Haven't seen points for a long time.
Yeah. The points. Let's look at the funny rotor, the funny looking rotor. A new set of points. Whether or not these are the right parts, we'll find out. Yeah. Oh, there's one more box.
One more box, yes.
What's in that box? I can't think of what else we would have bought.
Did you buy filters? Or air filters?
No, I didn't buy it. Well, the air filters are waiting at...
oh, we have to go and get them after.
I gotta go pick them up.
Bumper to bumper.
Bumper to bumper, yeah.
Standard T-Series condenser.
condenser.
Yeah.
Oh, they sent me another resistor?
And another magnet. Life is good.
What are they? That's the same part, isn't it?
It looks similar, just a different box. Like the box looks different.
I don't remember ordering 2 of them, but that just looks like another resistor to me.
And this is it was Hecho El Mexico.
Oh yeah, the little condenser. So probably we're not going to put all those parts on right away,
But we have them if we need them.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Over there. So that's it. That's the parts.
So we've been working for about, I don't know, maybe half an hour on the engine now. We've got all new spark plugs put in. We put our cap and rotor on. And luckily on this engine, it has the firing order right on it. So as long as we started in the right spot, we've got our firing order sorted out. We've got a hose hooked up to our fuel pump.
Yeah.
And we've got a can with some gas in it. And over there, I am charging my battery over there. And we're going to give this a shot in a few minutes and see if it actually starts. So we got everything hooked up. We got some fuel coming through that line into the fuel line. And we're putting a few drops in the carburetor. And we're going to turn it over and see if it starts. And we're just going to let you sit here and watch it.
Kidnapped Amber again.
Battleford's RCMP Amber Alert. Victims Alexis and Kinsley Rosette. Oh, jeez. Kinsley is 8. Oh,
man.
God. North Battleford. Oh.
Is that near here?
I think it's like in Saskatchewan or something.
Okay.
It's not too far though. I've driven through it. But you never know where they're going to go. That's why they notify
Yeah.
everybody. Okay, so we're going to give her a start and see what happens.
Ooh,
That sounded like it started.
that sounded good.
Maybe put a few more drops of fuel in there.
Okay.
So, little, just gonna kind of repeat again here. Like, when I bought this from the guy, I bought it as a rolling chassis. Oh, that's a smart idea. Put it in a cap so you don't. Perfect. And he was surprised when I picked it up because as we were getting it ready to tow, he's like, "Oh, there's an actual engine in here." So he knew nothing about the engine.
Well, it's a double-edged sword here because if it doesn't start, we get to put in the Monza engine that's got more HP.
Yeah.
But if it does start, it's going to save us a lot of work and money.
Some people are gonna wonder why you want to put Worcestershire sauce in, but okay.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, that actually sounds like it's gonna start and run.
Get some more.
You know what else it sounds like? It sounds like we got the firing order right.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Because there's no. Let me get a little bit more. I'm kind of.
You're being stingy on the fuel. Okay, so my my battery in my camera died, so I've got a big battery on it, and we're putting some more gas in. It really wanted to start last time.
She's very thirsty.
Yeah, and I'm thinking she's gonna start, and this is gonna be amazing. So here we go. See what happens. You ready?
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness, Winona is alive. Well, when I started that car up, it was blowing tons of like black smoke out and stuff.
Not the last time we did it.
Oh yeah, but I mean the first few times I started it. Amazing. Well, there you go. The first start in at least 25 years. I love Corvairs, man. Like this.
That car was fired up.
Yeah.
And really only after one try because it was just in that gas.
Well, it just wasn't getting any fuel.
Yeah, it was basically fired up on the first try.
Yeah. Yeah, eat that, Ralph Nader.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Turn my positive downward to upward.
It actually doesn't sound that bad.
No.
Like it's even idling okay. Like
Yeah. You know when we put the chrome piece on here that we salvaged off the Monza,
yeah,
we're gonna have to move the pipe
to the side.
to the side.
That would be
Because
easy.
It's designed for the Monza,
Right.
so it'll be an easy move. Yeah.
Yeah. We'll just get OK Tire to
Yeah.
reroute it.
Winona Ryder lives again.
I bet you can't wait to be riding Winona all over town, eh?
Not stalling out or anything.
No. Let's see what happens if we give it a little bit of fuel.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's a bit of smoke for you,
Oh yeah, well,
blowing out the cobwebs.
gotta be. Oh yeah, I'm excited now. I was really depressed when you went to the Philippines. There goes all the money for the car.
Yeah, oh, we gotta stand back a bit.
Yeah.
Now that I started cleaning some of the gunk out of it. That's what I was expecting to happen.
Yeah.
A bit of gunk to start burning off.
No shimmy, no shake, nothing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's blowing a bit of crap out now.
When you edit that down, you send me a copy,
Okay.
because I want to send a copy to Wayne Chisholm in Woodstock. I told him this morning that we were going to be doing it and making a recording.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's kind of calming down a bit now. We'll let it run for a while. It hasn't run in decades.
At least it's not going into gear because I'm not so sure we got enough tranny fluid in there. Because what else would be leaking? It's not engine oil. That engine oil is
I think that's the tranny doing its
that bubbling thing.
bubbling thing. Yeah. Just because it's been, and it, from what I read about it, it seems to do it after the winter time is when it normally does it. And I'm not sure why. Don't breathe the fumes. They're bad for you.
I don't know. When we were kids in Ottawa, we used to run behind the mosquito spraying truck. It was like a bomb. Barely moving. So now we should probably compile a flow chart of
What to do?
what to do, like not necessarily milestones, but milestones of completion. We'll do this first, then we do this, and then and then we.
Well-
I don't want us to get ahead of ourselves, because you can get excited and go, I want to do this part. Well, if you're wasting your time on something that's going to be done at the end of the
Yeah.
construct, then you shouldn't be doing it. You should be doing it in restaurant. That's what we do in a restaurant. We always had like a flow chart for the evening with all the work that had to be done.
How would we know where to start though?
I'm sure we could find something online to figure it out. But we know that we don't really need to buy things until we need them. There's
Right.
no sense in that either.
Yeah.
I think that maybe now that we know that the engine is running, we should look at getting a few things corrected in there, like find out about that baffling around the side and get
Right.
new battery cables And then maybe just leave the engine for now because it's running,
Yeah.
and we can work on some interior stuff, because I think that's probably the way to go, the interior. Unless it's at a point now where it'd be best to be primed while everything's out. We have welding to do in the... Is there any welding to do in the floors? Any holes?
Well, there's some holes, but I think the holes are mostly. I think the holes are mostly like drain plugs,
Okay, all right. So it's,
right? So there's a bunch of drain plugs.
Somebody already did some work there, you see?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that might have been the only holes in it.
Yeah.
That stuff gets covered by a plate of some sort.
If I had to guess what the next job would be, and that's just a
Prepping
guess,
and prepping the interior.
prepping all this and getting it ready for a prime.
Yeah,
And
because
if we can avoid taking that dash out, because I already did some reading,
it's a
easy
pain
to
in the
get
butt.
off, it's a bugger to get back on.
Yeah.
So, but I seen a guy cover it too, so it can be covered. Because all the cosmetic parts, except for the seats,
Yeah.
they're done.
They're done,
They're
yeah.
clean, they're ready to put on. We don't have to worry about that. We just have to get it ready to put everything back on. Seats, we gotta concern ourselves with.
Okay,
So
well,
let's just think about getting it to the prime point.
yeah.
Then we can go from there. But if we're not, we're going to leave it. We're not going to prime. We're going to leave it a survivor.
No, but the inside,
Oh,
the inside and the bottom we want to do
Yeah.
to preserve it.
Yeah.
If we're going to do the survivor look on the rest of it, then we just linseed oil the outside. Yeah.
Rub it down with oil. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we're not.
But you know, we got to decide like
I'm going to scuff this off.
we got to decide like, okay, do we just leave the actual outside, but we're going to do like from here in kind of thing?
Oh, how far? Well,
You know?
where does the kick plate sit? Come up this far, or where does it?
Oh yeah, it probably covers that.
Yeah, that's that. And then we got
So we should
perfect kick plates.
we should probably do this kind of stuff
Yeah.
and get that done, but just leave like the shell,
Yeah.
the outer
This
shell.
stuff is beautiful.
Yeah,
I'm gonna see if I can stuff this down.
you might be able to dissolve it.
Yeah, because it's already been on a couple of months.
Yeah,
You know, because it doesn't. This I'm not worried about.
Yeah.
This square is just too. It's too harsh.
yeah.
And I'll show that guy.
Survivor.
We'll get a surfboard for our shoe.
Yeah. Well, you know what though? The Survivor look on this thing,
Yeah.
but having all the chrome like super clean and everything super clean, people are going to go, what the heck? What am I looking at?
Because everything that we did.
Look at that. That can stay.
Oh yeah. Everything's almost brand new.
Even this looks pretty good. Just give it a good cleaning and we'll
Throw a carpet in there.
we could, well, actually, do we want to paint inside here? Probably, eh?
Oh, well, I don't know. I kind of like this too.
You like the way it
You
looks?
see, look at this. The work we gotta do. You see it?
Oh, there is some holes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have to fix that.
Oh yeah. This is.
Yay.
Yeah, so we'll do that. We'll get the show ready for interior prime and paint. We're interior prime anyway. We're not going to paint until we paint the whole thing.
Yeah.
So let's just focus on that and not worry about anything else for the moment. Because we can only take on so much at a time. Once you get smoky, we're going to have to get ourselves a pipe there.
Like to coming out the door? Okay, I think I'm gonna end my video. All right, so there you go. Is that condensation or oil or what?
I don't think it's oil because it's pretty clear when it splashes.
Well, where would that be coming from?
Dripping right underneath. Yeah, that's oil.
That's oil?
Yeah.
Okay.